Hi everyone, welcome back to our YouTube channel, and in this video we are going to talk about how you can host a website for free on GitHub. So without any further ado, let's get started. So first of all, you just need to create an repository. So I will click over here to the new. Once I click over here, then I will give a name. The name will be something else. So now I will click to the create repository, and once I click over here, then it will take a couple of minutes and then they will be created. So here I just need to upload my website over here. So I will choose my file from that place and I will upload it here. Once it uploaded, it will complete, then I will get this message here that your index.com already been added. So for that place, I will go to the setting. Once I come over here, from that place I will go to the setting. Once I come over here, then in that place you just need to fix your branch. So you just need to select a branch from that place. First of all, you just need to go over here, and then from that place you just need to use base for using frameworks and customize your build process like this one, or you can go with different kind of options, that is deploy your branch. And once you've done, then you will get this kind of options. As you can see, you just need to select the main one, then root, and just click to the save. Once you click over here to the save, it will take a couple of minutes. Just click this one and it already been saved here. So you can give a custom domain if you feel to add it here. So now let's come back to our code options and let's see our branch over that place. Now again, let's go to the setting and let's check this out again. Is there any problem or not? So I will click to this one. So my file is uploaded yet or not, so I just need to check this one before it started. Let's refresh this one and let's see, is it perfectly uploaded yet or not. So if not, then I will go over here again and let's see. I will drag this file here and just click this one and commit changes and processing your files. Yeah, I did something wrong, that I never clicked this one, that committed change, that's why it is not working yet. So this is the process. You just come over here and on the general function you just need to check this out, that default branch will be main. This will be the perfect one. Once it's done, then come to the pages options. When you will come over here, then you just need to click on deploy your branch. Once you click over here, just select your one, then similarly, and just click to the save. And once you've done, just come to the code again, and here you will find out that your file is uploaded. It is in pending model, so here it will take a couple of minutes to complete the process. Once it's done, like let's see you the file what it actually look. So here if I go to this one, let's find it out where I placed the file. So I just need to find it out. So let's see, this one is my file and this is our design. So you are deploying this website in GitHub. So here you can see, just click to the details, and once you click over here, now here you can see set up your job, then all things here, and here you can see it already been deployed. So you can see it. Now if I go to the setting, once I come over here, then go to the pages, and here you will find out that your site is live at this link. Now you can actually see your website easily. So this way you can easily deploy your whole website in GitHub. If you love this video, then don't forget to subscribe our channel and don't forget to hit the like button. Till then, have a good day. I will catch you in the next video with an interesting topic again.